favorite part of Connect 2022 is probably the opportunity to meet other customers, especially in the state and local government vertical, to not only network and make contacts, but trade ideas, find out things that they're doing that can spark some ideas for something that Memphis can do to help our citizens, and and vice versa. If there's anything that Memphis is doing that can help another city, that just makes everything better for not just the constituents, but also as extreme customers.
Really what I've seen here that makes me most excited for the future is the people. I have never had the chance to meet most of these guys, so meeting them in person and seeing where you guys are going, and being able to put a handshake to all the Zoom calls and emails that I've had is kind of a cool feeling.
Connect 2022 has been fantastic. It's large enough that there's a big difference in people, but it's still small enough that it is intimate. Still have enough time to talk to everybody and get to know things and learn from people.
Favorite part of working with Extreme is really the technical knowledge of the people that I'm interfacing with. They've assembled a very good team that really understand how to make the networks work in a sporting environment, which is very different from setting it up at a hospital or a school or something else.
I am enjoying myself immensely here. It's so nice to be back in person. The morning briefings this morning have been outstanding. Came earlier, did some of the earlier training classes. This has been one very nice week coming here to Nashville, getting out of the Las Vegas heat. It's been outstanding.